At Oxford Summer Courses, you get a chance to experience life as a student at Oxford University. Our Oxford courses give you the chance to get up close and personal with a subject, with small classes, tutorials with an expert in the field, as well as a chance to experience the social and cultural life of the city. The aim is to give students a rounded experience of the educational, social, cultural aspects of this university and the life of a student here.
History gives us a better understanding of why countries are having a good relationship or a really bad relationship in these current days.
I've always enjoyed learning about history. I thought learning history at Oxford, it's a place filled with history and tradition, and I thought it'd be really interesting.
So I'm setting them reading, which is almost certainly beyond the level that they'll have read in school. For example, articles from academic journals. We go through primary historical material together, and that's often quite challenging and unusual, and that really kind of pushes the extent to which they've grappled with these kind of sources before, and try and make it skills-based and challenging reading.
We're now currently taking the Anglo-Saxons in Bulgaria and in England. It's really nice to understand where they come from and what their culture entails. The way it's been brought up, it's very different in my country, because there are a lot of differences between them.
Because the course is quite short, really, so I kind of try to make it quite skills-based. And there's also an essay writing element. They have to write an essay once each week. I think teaching, and especially the format of teaching I'm doing here, where I'm teaching quite small groups, the seminars are only kind of 2 or 3 people, but then also it does give you that flavour of the style of teaching and the kind of tutorial system. It gives you structure to work within as well.
We're studying about Christianity and how it developed and how Christianity came into England. I really love learning about different religions and knowing more about why people believe in a certain thing, and being in this course is one of the most amazing experiences because of learning about these different religions.
Well, so far they've all seemed enthusiastic and happy. Yeah, some smiling faces. And it was nice, obviously these students had just met each other, but I could already see kind of friendships that they'd made prior to the class, and that was nice. So it seems like, there are people here who want to make connections and want to learn and want to have a kind of full experience, and that's, I think that's important.
The best thing is it's just renewed my interest in, it's made me realize how much I enjoy studying history. It's great.